Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to view and utilize the summary cards and also the various other basic features present within the project's application. Once the user has navigated to the project's app, he or she is displayed with the landing page of the same. The user can access the summary cards by clicking on the View button, and the various summary cards based upon the status of the project is displayed. Here, if the user clicks a particular summary card, all the projects under this particular status is displayed. The user can configure these summary cards by clicking on the Settings app and selecting or deselecting and saving the summary card settings. The user can also categorize the various elements of the project's application in terms of product and projects, as there are various projects that are created for implementing the particular product. Another view by which the user can change the project's application is Group by List and Customer. If the user clicks on the customer, then all the projects are displayed based upon the names of the customers. If multiple projects are present under a particular customer, this view will be helpful to categorize and view them. Apart from this, the admin settings button will be visible if the user has access for the same. Thank you for watching.